Today we're going to talk about 5 common marketing mistakes and how you can avoid them. Marketing is one of the crucial foundations of a successful business, and it drives brand awareness, customer engagement, and of course business growth. However, it can be easy to stumble into pitfalls and hamper your efforts to achieve your goals. With this in mind, we're going to go through 5 common marketing mistakes that people do fall into and that hampers your effectiveness of your marketing, can lead to missed opportunities and wasted resources. I'll also provide guidance on how to avoid them, thereby enhancing your marketing efforts to reach your target audience and maximize your return on investment. Hi, my name's Sarah Butler, or essbee to some, and I'm a marketing communications professional with over 20 years experience. So please like and subscribe to my channel, it really helps me. First mistake you can make in marketing is ignoring customer complaints. Ignoring customer complaints can be a really big mistake. These complaints actually provide a really valuable insight into your brand's or your product's shortcomings and provide an opportunity for you to improve. Obviously, overlooking your customer complaints leads to customer dissatisfaction, as well as damaging your brand image and causing a loss of business as unhappy customers switch to other companies. In the digital age, one negative review, or also known as social proof, which is one of the most influential factors in a customer's purchase decision, can quickly spread and dissuade other potential customers. Addressing customer complaints should be a priority for every business, and it starts with developing a responsive and customer-focused culture. When a customer raises a complaint, acknowledge it promptly. Take the time to understand the customer's concern, and if you have made a mistake, then make sure you accept responsibility, apologize genuinely, and rectify it as quickly as possible. In situations where a solution isn't available immediately, make sure you communicate this to the customer and let them know that their issue is being addressed, but it's just going to take a little bit of time. Using customer feedback to make business improvements is also essential. Tell your customers about what changes you've made and why. This shows customers that their voice matters. Offering exceptional customer service can turn a dissatisfied customer into a loyal one and even an advocate for your brand, ultimately improving your business reputation and credibility. Next marketing mistake that businesses make is competing on price. Competing solely on price is a risky and potentially very damaging strategy. While price is undoubtedly a significant factor in people's purchasing decisions, it's not the only one. If your primary differentiator is being the cheapest option, you run the risk of compromising profitability and devaluing your brand. Moreover, businesses that compete solely on price can actually do something called race to the bottom, which means their only competitive maneuver is to continually cut prices, and their prices will go lower and lower and lower. This strategy is not sustainable in the long term, particularly for smaller businesses who don't have the benefit of economies of scale that bigger businesses have. To rectify this, compete on value, not just price. To do so means questioning your customers on what they truly value, what pain points they have that your products or services resolve, and crafting a unique selling proposition, or USP, around those attributes. Your USP could be something like exceptional customer service, high quality products, innovative features, or sustainable practices. By effectively communicating your unique value your products or services offer, you can justify a higher price point and attract customers who are willing to pay more for that value. By competing on value, not just price, you can improve your profitability and your brand reputation at the same time. The third marketing mistake that businesses can fall into is being unaware of the emotional drivers of consumer choice. Neglecting the emotional drivers behind purchasing decisions can greatly undermine your marketing initiatives. Purchasing decisions are not solely dictated by rational, logic-based factors like pricing and features. Emotions play a key factor in influencing customers' purchasing decisions. Studies have shown that people rely more on emotions rather than information to make decisions. Ignoring these emotional drivers can lead to misalignment between your marketing messages and what truly motivates your target customers, resulting in ineffective campaigns and lost sales opportunities. To rectify this, you need to make an effort to understand the emotional drivers of your target audience. Conduct research, such as doing customer interviews or surveys, to delve into the emotional needs or desires of your customers. So for example, do your customers value a sense of community, the thrill of exclusivity, or the reassurance of safety? Once you've identified those emotional drivers, then incorporate them into your marketing messaging. For example, if your audience values sustainability, use the messaging in your marketing about your positive environmental impact. This emotionally charged marketing approach can foster deeper connection with your target audience, also inspire loyalty, and ultimately drive purchasing decisions. The next mistake that businesses often fall into in their marketing is neglecting to use multiple digital channels. Relying on one single digital marketing channel is a mistake that can really hinder the reach of your marketing efforts. Customers use a variety of platforms to find information and engage with brands. For example, they may discover a brand advertising online, engage with the brand on social media, learn what others think on a review site like Google Business Pages, and conduct their research via your website, all before making their final purchase decision. So if you're only present on one of these platforms or channels, you're going to miss opportunities to engage with potential customers at key touch points of the buyer's journey, limiting your brand's visibility and your potential growth. So to avoid this, you need to adopt a multi-channel marketing strategy. This involves engaging with your audience on a variety of platforms where they are active, such as social media, email, review pages, websites, and even offline channels. Start by identifying where your target audience spends most of their time and what platforms they are using to do research and make purchasing decisions. Then tailor the content and messaging to suit the characteristics of the platform they are using. For example, visual content works best on Instagram, while more in-depth articles may be more suitable for a customer email newsletter or a website blog. Implementing a multiple channel approach ensures that your brand has a consistent presence across your audience's buying journey, increasing opportunities for engagement and of course conversion. Remember, the goal isn't just to be present on multiple channels, but to have a seamless and consistent brand presence with the same messaging across all of them. The last mistake that many businesses make with their marketing is not focusing on customer retention. This is a common yet costly mistake. It's really easy to get caught up in the pursuit of finding new customers, but looking after your existing customers is just as important and even could be more important. Research shows it costs 5 times more to acquire a new customer than it does to retain an existing customer. Furthermore, existing customers are more likely to try new products that you offer and spend more than new customers. By not focusing on your existing customers, you're missing out on massive opportunity for increased profitability and growth. To rectify this, you need to implement a robust customer retention strategy. This starts with making sure that you have exceptional customer service, as satisfied customers are more likely to stay loyal to your brand. Regularly communicate with your customers through things like email newsletters, special offers, or personalized recommendations to keep your brand top of mind with your target customers. And use multiple channels to communicate with them on the platforms that they are using the most. You could also consider implementing a loyalty program that rewards customers for repeat purchases. Collect and analyze customer feedback to identify areas for improvement with your products or services, and that shows customers that you value their input and are committed to meeting their needs. Lastly, make an effort to exceed customer expectations, whether that be through the quality of your products, the convenience of your service, or the responsiveness of your customer support. By prioritizing customer retention, you can foster long-term relationships with your customers, leading to sustained revenue and growth. Navigating marketing is not simple, and avoiding these common pitfalls is essential for success. Whether it's understanding your target audience, using multi-channel strategy, acknowledging emotional drivers, focusing on customer retention, or moving beyond price-based competition, each strategy contributes to building effective marketing. By understanding and avoiding these common marketing mistakes, you can optimize your marketing to reach your target audience more effectively, create lasting relationships with customers, and ultimately drive sustainable business growth. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and come back next week where I'll be here with the next video.